I call this journal my Lady in Green journal, and it measures 5.5 by 8.5, and it has a 1 1/2 inch spine. This is a faux embossed leather spine. I wanted this book to look very, very aged. I went online and I looked at authentically aged books that were 100 years old, and so I tried to copy that effect. You can see that there is some bare embossing that you can see on this cover, and I really like the way it turned out. This is the front, and I have some raised elements on this cover also, and some faux metal corners that I've used. I used a hitch post and muslin binding. I have a couple of pens with some charms, and this book was so much fun to make. I used a piece of prose by Maya Angelou as an element in this book. So let's just look at what we have. This is the book page, the library card page. The name of the prose by Maya Angelou is Every Woman Should. And I've used a lot of tabs and altered paper clips and fibers and tags. A woman should have enough money within her control to move out and rent a place of her own, even if she never wants to or needs to. I love the way this book looks. Used a lot of lace trims in this book. A lot of my little fussy cut ladies. This is an altered paper clip. I've also used some faux bingo pieces as tabs on the pages. A lot of glimmer misting. And I've printed on some of the book pages. Something perfect to wear if the employer or date of her dreams wants to see her in an hour. And this is an envelope. And this is another one of my little fussy cut ladies. These are a digital download, and I can't remember where I got them, but I absolutely love them. The dangles are the little tiny hearts with pictures of I think Harrison Fisher gals or Gibson gals, I can't remember which. And there's a little tuck spot. And here's a little, this is one of my little fussy cut folks. A youth she's content to leave behind. And there's another altered paper clip with lace and fibers. A little envelope. This was a digital download too, that envelope was. I just printed it on dictionary paper. A past juicy enough that she's looking forward to retelling it in her old age. Tea-dyed and coffee-dyed papers. A set of screwdrivers, a cordless drill, and a black lace bra. Washi tape and some stamping. And this is another altered paper clip. Another one of those faux bingo pieces. I'm going to have to start writing down where the digital downloads come from, I think. A friend who always makes her laugh and one who lets her cry. Another one of my little fussy cut ladies. Lace. A good piece of furniture not previously owned by anyone else in her family. And this is an acetate corner tuck. 8 matching plates, wine glasses with stems, and a recipe for a meal that will make her guests feel honored. A little stamping. Another altered paper clip. Used a lot of tabs in this book as well. I love the way this looks. And this is another little tag that I've used. A woman should know. One of my little fussy cut ladies. Another little envelope. This little corner tuck. These are functioning envelopes. And here are some of those little heart dangles. And another little envelope. How to fall in love without losing herself. Washi tape, another little envelope. This is glimmer misted. And another altered paper clip. Some stamping. How to quit a job, break up with a lover, and confront a friend without ruining the friendship. Some stamping. More stamping. Another acrylic tuck spot. And another one of those pieces of paper with a little flourish on it. When to try harder and when to walk away. Another one of my little fussy cut ladies. That she can't change the length of her calves, the width of her hips, or the nature of her parents. I just love this little lady on that page. Another altered paper clip and a bingo piece. Journaling card. That her childhood may not have been perfect, but it's over. Stamping. What she would and wouldn't do for love or more. Lots of lace on this, and this is a butterfly, little altered paper clip and some fibers. How to live alone even if she doesn't like it. There's another one, little fussy cut gals, and this is an envelope. This is a digital download. I think, I don't know, maybe it's Ephemera's Vintage Garden, maybe it's Seneca Pond Craft, I don't know. Stamping, some more of these little dangles, little heart dangles. Another fussy cut lady. Stamping. Another altered paper clip and a bingo piece. Whom she can trust, whom she can't, and why she shouldn't take it personally. Where to go, be it to her best friend's kitchen table or a charming inn in the woods wherein her soul needs soothing. Another altered paper clip. What she can and can't accomplish in a day, a month, and a year. And this is the end of the book. I really love making this book. I love putting that prose from Maya Angelou in this book as elements of interest. This book needs a forever home. Thank you for watching.